Hi there. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to blink up LEDs and change their blinking interval using two buttons for Raspberry Pi. So first of all, we will connect all the components so the circuit looks like this. Then we have to write the Python code for it, which I have already made under the name buttons.py. So now it's time to see everything in action. As you guys can see that when the first button is pressed, the LEDs instantly turn on. Holding the second button for a few seconds change the blinking interval and make the LEDs blink faster. Now when I hold the second button while the LEDs are off, nothing happens. But when I turn LEDs on again, it is clearly visible that the time intervals of LEDs have changed. Now let's see if my system executes if exits. For that, I'll once again run my system and try to end it using Ctrl C. So as soon as Ctrl C is pressed, my system stops working. Now let's try to use kill command. This too works perfectly well. So that's it for today guys. See you in the next one.